India and the United Kingdom have concluded a historic free trade agreement after 3 years of negotiations, with an ambitious goal to double bilateral trade to $120 billion by 2030. The agreement, which eliminates import duties on 99% of Indian goods entering the UK, ensures protections for India's sensitive sectors. One of the key provisions of the deal is the reduction of tariffs on Scotch whisky, with Indian duties on the beverage dropping from 150% to 75% immediately, and eventually to 40% over the next decade. This shift is expected to boost Scotch exports to India by $1.25 billion over the next 5 years, generating 1,200 jobs in the UK. The deal also grants UK businesses enhanced access to India's procurement market, which includes approximately 40,000 tenders worth $47.5 billion annually. By 2040, this agreement is anticipated to raise bilateral trade by $34 billion annually. The free trade agreement covers areas like advanced manufacturing, services, and Scotch whisky, with provisions similar to those seen in trade deals with countries like Japan and Canada. In defense, the UK and India have solidified their cooperation through the launch of the Defence Partnership India at Aero India 2025. This includes agreements for advanced weapons systems, including laser beam riding MNPADs and ASRAM, which support India's Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliance, initiative and align with the UK's growth agenda. The agreement comes at a time when global trade dynamics are under strain. The ongoing America-China trade war has disrupted global supply chains, prompting countries like India and the UK to diversify trade partnerships and reduce dependency on single markets. These disruptions have made bilateral trade frameworks like the India-UK Free Trade Agreement increasingly critical for economic resilience. Despite the broadly positive reception, some analysts criticize the free trade agreement for limited progress on investment treaties, access to legal services, and intellectual property rights. Nevertheless, the pact is widely regarded as a strategic milestone, underscoring the convergence of trade, economic security, and foreign policy in shaping a modern India-UK partnership.